101.1 Smartfm, the spirit of Indonesia, smart up your life. Hi guys. Okay, welcome to our second home and welcome for you guys because you are the newest of member of BPEC, right? Correct?
Yes.
Okay, anyway, every Tuesday at 7 p.m. we have a special program with BPEC and of course Smart FM Family, Smart Up Your Life. And of course, week by week we have a special topic to discuss. And today or this evening, of course, we have a special topic. That topic, but before I mention the topic, of course, I want to explain about opening teaching this special our topic. I'm talking about this digitalization, globalization, and this era. Absolutely, we get easy to access everything, all of the world. Because you know digitalization can connect peoples each other in all of the world and include entertainment and cultures. In this era many new cultures arise all of the world, include of easternicity. You know what I mean? Easternicity is the rival of westernization, and the most popular Easternicity cultures all of the world, spread all of the world, is very relevant with our topic this evening. And our topic is Korean wave. Okay, I lend your microphone, please. No, I mean mic. Yeah. As I mentioned that our topic this evening is Korean wave. Okay, but before we are going to talking about Korean wave, and of course, please guys, you guys to introduce yourself to smart viewers and listeners at home one by one, and after that, explain what is BPC itself. Okay, start from you, Miss. Okay, explain your name to smart viewers and listeners at home.
Okay, hello everyone who's watching at home or everywhere. So my name is Amira Faradiba, and you can call me Amira.
Hi, Amira.
Hi.
Okay, next.
Okay, thanks. And hello guys, I'm Nur Agusti and now I'm at the Smartfm Radio Makassar.
Okay, what semester? May we know what
okay,
semester are you in? Where?
I'm on the semester 3 now.
Third
And
semester.
Yes, in the majoring literature, English and literature department.
Wow. Okay, thank you. How can I call you?
Just call me Nurul.
Nurul,
Yeah.
Amira Nurul. Okay, next.
Yeah, hello guys. I'm Dia Istiqomah. You can call me Dia or Dikom, but mostly my friends call me Dia or Isti.
Dia, like that. Okay. What major and what semester are you?
Yeah, I'm students college from Polytechnic of Health Makassar with majoring medical laboratory technology, and I'm in 5th semester right now.
Wow, Dia. Okay, next behind you.
Okay, hello everyone. So people at home. So my name is Nur Janna. You can call me Janna or Nur, whatever you want. And I'm from University of Islamic State. My major is English Literature Department, and I'm also same like Amira and Nurul in the 3rd semester. Thank you.
Where do you study, please?
University of Islamic State.
Yeah, okay, sorry. Anyway, welcome to our second home from BPEC, guys. Okay, who can explain about the BPEC itself? Do you know? You can explain? As a newest member or participant or committee. Okay, please explain what is BPEC itself.
Oh, okay. For me, so I guess I'm also a new community in BPEC. So that I know from BPEC is is like an organization that they bullet in English and about. We also have some kind of like events like about. We want to learn about English. We have a basic course. We have a TOEFL class, and also. In Benteng, Panyumas, we also have like a lovely Sunday meeting every Sunday, and it's for audience. I mean, a lot of people can come there. It's free.
Okay, any addition, guys, to make it complete about BPEC? Okay, could you tell the smart listeners and smart viewers at home?
Okay, thank you for the opportunity, guys. So actually, BPEC is a place for us to learn about English. It's not only for the young age itself. So all of the age you could join this organization. So if you're interested to learn English from the basic till the advanced one, you should join us.
Any addition again? Who? You? Okay, could you tell the smart viewers and listeners at home?
Okay, guys, and first, I'm a new member in the BPC, and first, I think I don't really interest about this organization before, because Kasadli before is in what we say that like teach our class, and I think this guy is very interesting with their how he's teaching us, and he's also introduced their organization, this WPAC, and I and all of my classmates is say that, oh my God, this is so interesting, and I think we have to join with them.
Yeah, you want to say that he is inspiring you?
Yes.
Oh, okay, thank you. What about you?
Yeah, okay, guys. So I knew this organization from my friends. As you know, I am not from English.
Let us calling community.
Community.
Yeah.
So I didn't know about this before, but when I going to this event, BPAC organized maybe around 2 weeks ago, and I know, and I feel interesting for joining this because I have same motivation here, because I want to improve my English skill, and also have a new family here too. And as I know, this BPEC is the oldest organization in Makassar.
Yeah, not only in Makassar, but East Indonesia.
Oh, it's Indonesia, wow.
English community in East Indonesia.
It's so interesting.
Yeah, thank you guys. Okay, anyway, we will talking about our topic this evening. The topic is Korean wave. Okay, I want to start from you. We have the same color to this evening.
Right.
Okay, what is on your mind? What is Korean wave on your own words?
Oh, okay. So for me, I think Korean wave is like the Korean government. They promote about the culture of Korean that makes popular around the world. Like for example, they start to like doing like the drama, the Korean drama, a K-pop song, a food of Koreans, for example, like samyang, and also about the it's like about the technology also in Korea. So it makes a big impact for like people around the world. So I think that was the division of Korean wave. I think
that's your perspective about Korean wave.
Yeah.
Well, what about you, Dia?
So in my opinion, Korean wave is like a phenomena. It is like a virus spread so easily.
I agree.
So easily around the world, especially in this globalization era, and it can be impact in our society like that. For example, and also Korean wave we can say in bahasa demam Korea. And this something like people addicting about Korean by from lifestyle, food, fun, and etc. For example, we also know this pose when we take a picture, right?
Sarangeo.
Yeah, sarangeo. Yeah, finger heart.
Finger heart. Yeah.
Before this one, we also using like this before take a picture, right? But it's changed because we want to imitating something like Korean doing like this one.
Wow.
I think that's all about Korean wave. I think
you are very detailed. Thank you. Okay, what about you?
Okay, first I will say, since in my elementary school, I was seeing video on my cousin's laptop, and I saw in her laptop is the Blackpink's videos, you know, and
Blackpink, yeah.
I don't know why, but I just want to watch some videos at the same the time, and I clicked the one of the video, so I watching the Blackpink videos. So when I was watching that video, I was really interesting about that. I think like you know, we can enjoy with the listening the video music
yeah.
And I don't know, this is like haram, you know, like they are wearing like small yes, and a small dress like the like similar like.
So you means what about Korean wave?
Yeah,
you means what?
Okay, this is like in this case, I just wanna say the Korean wave is some like what like a virus, and this is also the phenomena is very famous now.
Yeah.
That's global. Not also in the Korean country, but in I think the most country in this world like has apa ya already know this Korean wave and already know that very much interesting in Korean. So for myself, before I eating with a spoon, like when we are eating noodles, we are using a spoon, just spoon. But now, because I'm watching a lot of K-drama.
Sumpit.
Yes, chopstick.
Yeah.
So yeah, and I think that are some of the effect and that I'm meaning of the Korean wave.
You get influence of Korean cultures also, right?
Yeah.
Okay, what about you? How is your perspective about Korean wave itself?
Okay, so actually my friends already represent my argument, but actually Korean wave is something cultural. So it's spreading around the world, and just like Jana say, it's how government promoting their culture. Just like the name of this topic, the wave. So the wave is attacking the surface. So this is the same like their culture trying to spreading around the world and trying to cover our culture. So this is what Korean wave. We are getting this Korean wave fever. We're catching fever and we kinda like it, but it hurting us. Yeah, I mean the culture, our culture.
Okay, my second question is why cultures of Korean cultures is very easy to spread all of the world. But we will keep this question, and after this we will be right back after this 101.1 Smartfm, the spirit of Indonesia. Don't go anywhere.